After a weekend full of volatility and highs, CoinShares published a new report on Bitcoin, BTC, on January 23. According to Europe's largest digital investment group, Bitcoin inflows are extremely positive. According to CoinShares reports, entries into the cryptocurrency over the past week are worth $37 million, and most of them prefer short-term investment in Bitcoin. Long-term Bitcoin investors accounted for $5.7 million, while short-term ones reached $25.5 million. However, despite the hesitations of U.S. investors towards regulations, 80% of the volume in the region was focused on Bitcoin sales. The reason for the interest that has quadrupled in the last week is not hidden from public opinion. With BTC reaching $23,000, it was stated that it is a situation that investors should not care about looking at short-term gains. Although several analysts known in the markets think that Bitcoin is out of the bearish scenario, Bitcoin expert Corconomy stated that he thinks otherwise. According to CryptoQuant disclosures, PUL multiple was exiting the red area on January 23. The PUL multiple is the ratio of the daily Bitcoin sale measured in dollars to the 365-day moving average of the cryptocurrency sale. It may also indicate a possible market peak, mid-cycle or bearish situation. CryptoQuant's data, considered together with Corconomy's opinion, may indicate that the PUL multiple is approaching only the first stage of the bull cycle. In addition, this situation may somewhat dampen the excitement circulating on the agenda that the market is completely on the rise. The analyst also called on investors to be cautious, noting that further price movements will be required to confirm the situation. Bullish comment on BTC. In another CryptoQuant market assessment, analyst Oinon_T mentioned a strong case for further price increases. Referring to the current market behavior and distribution cycles, he created a table focused on individual investor demand and Bitcoin halving, and included the following statements in his statements. The history of Bitcoin is dominated by halving events that followed pre-halving accumulation cycles. The transition from accumulation to the distribution cycle can be predicted by fees to reward on-chain data, which tend to rise before each distribution cycle. The analyst also noted that a price increase usually comes after the wage-reward ratio before the halving in past cycles. Considering that the 2024 halving is only a year and a few months away, the wage-reward ratio has shown sudden upward trends, he suggested. Therefore, according to the analyst, Bitcoin may be headed for another price increase.